Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best electric scooters in 2026, whether it's for daily commuting, casual rides, or budget-friendly transport, you're in the right place. Today, I've picked 5 of the best electric scooters based on performance, range, comfort, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Gotrax XR Elite Electric Scooter. The Gotrax XR Elite comes with a 300-watt motor, 8.5-inch honeycomb tires, and a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. It offers up to 18 miles of range on a single charge and features cruise control, bright LED lights, and a foldable aluminum frame. This scooter is designed for urban commuters who want reliability without breaking the bank. The honeycomb tires mean no flats, and the ride is smooth enough for city roads and sidewalks. Pros: maintenance-free honeycomb tires, lightweight and foldable design, cruise control for relaxed riding, great value for beginners. Cons: not ideal for rough terrain, moderate top speed compared to premium models. If you want a simple, affordable, and dependable electric scooter, the Gotrax XR Elite is an excellent entry-level choice. Number 2. Hiboy S2/S2 Max Electric Scooter. The Hiboy S2 and S2 Max offer 350 to 500-watt motors, top speeds up to 19 miles per hour, and an impressive range of 17 to 40.4 miles depending on the model. Tire options range from 8.5 to 10 inches, making it more versatile. This is one of the most popular commuter scooters on the market. It balances power, range, and comfort, making it suitable for both short and long rides. Pros: powerful motor options, long-range battery, especially the S2 Max, solid build quality, app connectivity for settings and lock. Cons: slightly heavier than budget scooters. Charging time is on the longer side. The Hiboy S2 series is perfect for riders who want more power and longer range without going premium-level expensive. Number 3. Razor Seated Electric Scooter. This Razor seated electric scooter features a twist-grip throttle, pneumatic tires, and a removable padded seat. It delivers around 40 minutes of ride time and is designed for ages 13 and up. Unlike stand-up scooters, this one focuses on comfort and stability. The seat makes it ideal for relaxed cruising or younger riders who prefer sitting. Pros: comfortable padded seat, easy-to-use throttle, air-filled tires for smoother rides, trusted Razor build quality. Cons: shorter range, slower than stand-up commuter scooters. If comfort is your priority and speed isn't, the Razor seated scooter is a fun and relaxed riding option. Number 4. Hoverfly X3/X5 Electric Scooter. The X3/X5 offers a 500-watt motor, top speed of 20 miles per hour, and a range of 18 to 25 miles. It features 10-inch solid tires, a digital code lock, and walk assist mode. This scooter is built for security and power. The electric code lock is a standout feature, and the ride feels solid for daily commuting. Pros: strong 500-watt motor, built-in security lock, walk assist mode, stable 10-inch tires. Cons: solid tires can feel stiff on rough roads, slightly bulky when folded. The X3/X5 is a great commuter scooter if you want extra power and built-in security features. Number 5. Hiboy S2/S2 Max and Alternative Listing. This is another listing of the Hiboy S2/S2 Max, offering the same 350/500-watt motors, up to 40.4 miles range, and 19 miles per hour speed, making it one of the most consistent performers in this category. It remains a top pick due to its reliability, smooth acceleration, and strong customer support. Pros: proven performance, excellent battery life, comfortable ride for daily use. Cons: not the lightest scooter. Premium features cost more. Once again, Hiboy proves why the S2 series is one of the best electric scooters of 2026. Thanks for watching. All the product links are in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.